Everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to come on here and do a little product review that I got in the mail. I'm really excited to try this product out. It's by Marine Skincare. As an esthetician, I'm always excited to use and try new products. They sent me this. It is a vitamin C serum. I love to try new serums. Look at the packaging on it. It's very, very nice. It has this little slide out thing, box. And then here's the serum here. Like, it's very, very packaged very, very nicely. So anybody can use vitamin C serum. It's a brightening agent for your face. So it's just like, you want to do this after you wash your face and then you dry your face off, and then you want to put this on. I usually do it after I wash my face, so I will just take it in the pump here. You don't need a whole lot either. A lot goes a long way. And then you just want to massage it in your face. And the good thing about vitamin C, it brightens, and my skin's just getting red only because I am massaging this into my skin. So that's why it's getting red. But you want to use the serum to help, like I said, to brighten your skin. It will also help with dark spots if you have a lot of dark spots, especially like under my eyes. I like to put a serum under there because that's where I tend to just be the most tired. So I always try to put like a serum under my eyes. So this one will work great. And then like, look at my skin. My skin has been, I hate to say it, it's been really good because I've been taking care of it. And I swear by serums, and this one is a great one because, again, it's for hyperpigmentation. I do have some, but like, again, I've been drinking a lot of water. It's been so hot, so I just want to make sure and take care of my skin because I remember like many years ago, I used to have tons of like these heat rash blotches, especially right now because it's so hot. I used to break out so badly, but I remember like as soon as I come home, I just literally wash my face. I wash it with a gel cleanser, and then I will go in with a little bit of a serum, and I will do it again before I go to bed. I know it might be overwashing, but it's just, especially being outside, like in the public with pollutants everywhere, I just want to make sure as soon as I come home, my skin is clean. And then before I go to bed, I will do it again, and I'll add a moisturizer. The other thing that you need to also put on your face when you go outside is a great sunscreen. Sunscreen will definitely help your face out. There's the good thing about this one is that there's also niacinamide in it as well. Niacinamide is great for your face as well because it helps with inflammation, and it's a great agent for your face as well. So I highly recommend this brand. It's on Amazon. I will link the link below. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or leave me a comment below. And I hope you guys do use vitamin serum. I hope you guys do use vitamin C serum in your daily regimen. It will really help your face in the long run. All right, everybody, that's it for today. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.